Welcome to physics class. Lesson 1, Projectile Motion. Let's listen to Aisha and Rahim.
Hi Rahim, when will be the final volleyball match?
It is on today. I am going to watch it.
I am also coming with you. How the ball follows such a precise path.
Like Aisha. Do you want to know what type of motion it is? This type of motion is called as projectile motion. Let's have a quick look into it. If a person throws a ball, it will not go up straight and come back. It will always follow a parabolic path because of gravity. Projectile motion is a type of motion in which an object is projected into air, which moves under the effect of gravity, under negligible air resistance. Path of projectile motion is called as trajectory. Trajectory of projectile motion is parabola. Key points in projectile motion. Maximum height. The maximum vertical distance traveled by the projectile is called maximum height. Range. The maximum horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is called range. Time of flight. The time taken to complete a projectile motion is called time of flight. Suppose a person throwing a ball with an angle with respect to horizontal. There are several factors that affect the motion of ball. Number 1. Angle of projection. Angle of projection will determine the distance covered by the ball and the maximum height that it can achieve. Number 2. Initial velocity of the ball. The velocity with which the ball is projected. Initial velocity has two components, horizontal, the component in x direction, and vertical, component in y direction. Let initial velocity of the ball equals u. If the ball is projected with an angle theta, u cosine theta is the horizontal component, u sine theta is the vertical component. Horizontal component of velocity is constant, and vertical component of velocity is changing in a projectile motion. Number 3. Launching height. As launching height increases, the horizontal distance covered by ball also increases. Number 4. Air resistance. Because of air resistance, maximum vertical height and horizontal distance covered by projectile decreases compared to the motion of projectile without air resistance. Number 5. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is always acting downwards in a projectile motion. Since acceleration is a vector quantity, we have to give sign as a equals negative g. In projectile motion, acceleration in the horizontal direction is 0. How to find range, maximum distance, and time taken by a projectile. Time of flight. Vertical component of velocity, uy equals u sin theta minus gt. At maximum height, uy equals 0, so time to reach maximum height, tm, equals u sin theta, divided by g, time of flight, is the time taken to complete entire projectile motion, so time of flight equals 2 times tm, which is equals 2 u sin theta, divided by g. Range of projectile. The equation for horizontal distance is horizontal velocity times time. We know that time of flight equals 2 u sin theta, divided by g. Substitute the value of t in equation 1. Equation of range becomes u square sin 2 theta over g. Let's see the expression for maximum height. hm equals u sin theta tm minus half g tm square. Substitute value of tm in equation 1. We get hm equals u square sin square theta divided by 2g. Let's go with a question. The maximum range of a gun of horizontal terrain is 16 kilometers. If g equals 16 meter per second square, then muzzle velocity of a shell must be Option 1, 160 meter per second, Option 2, 200√2 meter per second, Option 3, 400 meter per second, Option 4, 800 meter per second. We can start with the equation of horizontal range, r equals u square sin 2 theta divided by g. For maximum horizontal range, theta equal 245 degrees, so maximum range equation becomes, r maximum equals, u square divided by g, where u be the muzzle velocity of a shell. Hence, 16,000 meter equals u square divided by 10, which is equal to 400 meter per second. So the answer is Option 3, 400 meter per second. Follow and subscribe us for more videos.